What's up, guys? We got a quick little unboxing for a balisong my sister got me. I'm out here by my grill, and the unboxing is from Caliber Gourmet. Let's check it out. All right, gourmet, huh? Woo! Beautiful. Looks like it flips pretty good. Whoa. These actually came in a set of 2, so I have the fork and the spoon, and I went ahead and removed the latch on the spoon. And these actually flip surprisingly really well. So, thank you, sis. This is actually a rockin' gift. Whoa. Let's get that shortstop. Yes. Killer.